Need a reliable portable workbench that's easy to carry and tough enough for serious projects? In this video, we compare the best portable workbenches available today, highlighting their strength, folding design, clamping features, and overall performance. Whether you're working at home or on the job site, we've got you covered. Be sure to check the links in the description box below for pricing and additional product information. Number 1 is the Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Worktable and Sawhorse. If you need a workstation that pulls double duty, the Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Worktable and Sawhorse deserves a spot in your garage. It supports 300 pounds as a worktable and jumps to 1,000 pounds in Sawhorse mode, making it ready for almost any job. At just 30 pounds, it's easy to haul around and folds flat for storage. Durable ABS plastic and steel keep it sturdy, while built-in clamps and a measuring guide add convenience. Setup takes seconds, and its compact footprint suits tight workshops or outdoor job sites alike. For woodworking, painting, or repairs, it's a reliable, space-saving tool worth the investment. Number 2 is the Keter heavy-duty folding workbench delivers serious strength in a portable package. Built for DIYers and pros alike. Rated to hold up to 1,000 pounds, it handles sawing, drilling, and assembly without breaking a sweat. The 12-inch clamps adjust horizontally or vertically, keeping your workpieces locked in place for precision tasks. Setup takes just 30 seconds, and folding it down for storage or transport is just as fast. Weather-resistant polypropylene, heavy-duty resin, and lightweight aluminum legs combine for durability without excess bulk. Perfect for garages, job sites, or home projects, this workbench blends power, portability, and affordability into one dependable tool. Number 3 is the Pony Portable Folding Worktable brings true 2-in-1 flexibility, switching easily between Sawhorse and Workbench to suit any job. It supports up to 500 pounds as a table and 1,000 pounds as a Sawhorse, thanks to its durable aluminum frame. 6 adjustable height settings ranging from 30 to 35 inches let you customize your workspace for garages, lawns, or gardens. The complete set includes multiple clamps, bench dogs, and safety straps for added versatility and secure holds. Its collapsible design folds flat for effortless transport and storage. At just 14.5 kilograms, it's a lightweight, adaptable solution for woodworking, repairs, and more. Number 4 is the TLGREEN 7-in-1 Portable Workstation replaces multiple tools with one versatile setup, functioning as a workbench, sawhorse, platform, dolly, hand truck, creeper board, and worktable. A built-in power outlet lets you plug in drills, lights, or chargers right at your workspace, cutting down on extension cords. It handles up to 440 pounds in platform mode and 330 pounds across its other configurations, suited for cutting, painting, moving, and repairs. A detachable tool tray keeps hardware organized, while clamp holes secure materials for precise work. 4 wheels with locking brakes add mobility and control, and the folding design makes storage simple in any garage or shed. Number 5 is the BLACK+DECKER WM125 Workmate Portable Workbench, offers a dependable, space-saving solution for DIYers and pros alike. Its steel frame and wooden vice jaws support up to 350 pounds, while adjustable swivel pegs make clamping odd-shaped materials simple. At only 14.9 pounds, it's easy to move and folds flat to just 5 inches for compact storage. Slip-resistant feet keep it steady during use, and dual clamp cranks let you adjust the jaws quickly for a secure grip. Whether tackling home repairs, woodworking, or commercial jobs, this workbench combines strength and convenience in a lightweight, portable frame, an ideal pick for anyone needing reliable work support on the move. Number 6 is the Worx WX066 Sidekick Folding Worktable packs impressive capability into a lightweight, compact frame. With a 300 pounds weight capacity, it easily supports saws, drills, and heavy-duty projects, while its rugged ABS and steel build ensures long-term durability. At just 13 pounds, it's easy to transport, and locking legs keep it stable even on uneven ground. The table folds flat in seconds for quick storage, making it ideal for tight spaces. Need more room? Link multiple units together using the included link locks. With 4 clamp dogs for secure holds, this versatile workbench is a smart pick for furniture assembly, cutting, and general DIY work. That wraps up our roundup of the best portable workbenches. We hope this guide helped you find the right workbench for your workshop, garage, or job site. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tool reviews. You'll find links to all the featured workbenches in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.